All right, today, President Trump visited some of the communities hardest hit by Hurricane Michael. First Lady Melania Trump also traveled with the president to observe how first responders are handling the crisis. Mark Meredith is in Washington with a closer look.
The president and first lady began their tour of Florida's storm-ravaged coast at Eglin Air Force Base. Upon landing, the president met with the state's governor and praised the work of first responders. The president then boarded a helicopter for an aerial tour of the damage. The press, who flew separately, described seeing thousands of trees uprooted and debris scattered everywhere. The president, once back on the ground, passed out water bottles and promised survivors more relief is coming.
We've called for maximum relief.
Florida Senator Bill Nelson posted this video to YouTube describing the dire situation many Floridians are facing.
A lot of these people are going to have to deal with no electricity for a long period of time, and yet they all have the can-do spirit.
The American Red Cross says it's dispatched 1,300 volunteers to help in Florida. It says its main focus remains on providing hot meals and shelter, and that it expects its volunteers to stay in Florida for weeks.
We have enough volunteers that we can keep changing out the folks that are there on the ground and get some fresh volunteers in there, and we will stay until the last person's situated.
In Washington, I'm Mark Meredith.